Think crypto's too complicated or risky? I used to think that too, until I set up my first passive crypto income stream without needing to code or deal with tech headaches. Honestly, I started earning while binge-watching Netflix. Today, I'm going to walk you through how you can do the same by following simple steps anyone can follow. Stick around as I break down 3 beginner-friendly ways to earn passive crypto income. First, what is passive crypto income? It's a way to earn rewards or interest on your crypto without trading constantly or putting in a ton of effort. Your money does the work for you. Here are 3 methods that are great for beginners. Staking. Locking coins to support blockchain networks and earn rewards. Yield farming. Providing liquidity on decentralized finance platforms in exchange for interest. Interest accounts. Depositing crypto into accounts that pay interest, similar to savings accounts but often with higher returns. Each method offers unique benefits, but today we'll focus on staking because it's generally the safest and easiest way to get started. Let me show you how I set up staking using Phantom Wallet and Trust Wallet. I usually buy Sol tokens or ETH on Coinbase, which is a trusted exchange where you can easily purchase crypto with USD. After buying, I transfer my tokens from Coinbase to either Phantom Wallet or Trust Wallet. This keeps my tokens secure and ready for staking. For Phantom Wallet with Solana. Once you have Sol in your Phantom Wallet, open the app or browser extension. Select the option to stake or earn rewards. Pick a validator and enter the amount of SOL you'd like to stake. Confirm the transaction. After staking, you'll start receiving rewards automatically. For Trust Wallet with Ethereum or other coins. Open Trust Wallet and navigate to the Earn or Staking section. Choose the coin you want to stake, enter the amount, and confirm. Like with Phantom Wallet, your staking rewards will begin once everything is submitted. Both wallets give you full control over your crypto, but make sure to double-check transactions and keep your private keys and recovery phrases safe. Before you jump in, here are a few tips. Always research platforms and coins before staking. Only stake what you can afford to lose. Protect your private keys and recovery phrases. They're essential for your account security. To sum it all up, passive crypto income is a great way to let your money earn for you. Staking is one of the simplest and most reliable ways to start. If you're interested in more crypto income strategies like yield farming and interest accounts, hit that subscribe button and tap the bell. In the next video, I'll dive deeper into advanced strategies. Got questions or want me to cover specific crypto topics? Drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and welcome to your smarter crypto income journey.